everybody, it's me, Chasey Poo. Today I'm going to be doing another review for Banana Prosthetics. I just love that they sent me this shirt and I can wear my banana shirt when I'm doing my reviews for Banana Prosthetics. So today I'm going to be reviewing SP8. So I do believe this is their newest Packer release, and honestly, it's my favorite out of all of them. Let me show you what it looks like. Also, I'm about to show you a peen on screen. Don't look if you don't want to look. I don't know. This is what it looks like over here. All right, it looks just like a basic Packer, I'm aware, but I'll tell you why I really like it. Oh, love that. Here it is. So let me just kind of show you here. The balls, they're all squishy. This is all one silicone, one like density of silicone, so it's all very squishy. The front part is very soft, doesn't feel sticky. However, the back is a little bit sticky. Right here. By the way, SP8 just means SP is soft Packer, 8 is their 8th model, I guess. And just to give you some context on size, I just reviewed the SP5 a couple of weeks ago. This is what it looks like, and this is what the SP8 looks like. So for me, that's a huge difference. This was the biggest Packer I feel like I've reviewed. It's also very heavy. This one is not so heavy. Oh. It ain't a review if Chase doesn't put it on his face and it doesn't fall on the floor, am I right? So just kind of give you a side-by-side. Even the balls on the SP5 are just so big. So I feel like after 8 tries, they finally nailed it down. This is the Packer. It feels so good when you're packing. It's not too big and it's not too small. So let me just kind of show you what it looks like packing. I am just a huge fan of this Packer because of the way it looks down. If you're interested in the price, it's $70 Canadian, because it is a Canadian company, which is $57 US right now on the website. This comes in 6 different shades. I believe this is their lightest shade, and they do go all the way up to a very dark shade that looks really great. So the length over here is 4.3 inches, which I feel like is a great size for a Packer. You don't want something too big, something that's like 5-6 inches, because it is gonna be in your pants all day long. But if you do something that's smaller, like 2 inches, that might feel a little bit dysphoric for some people. So I feel like 3 to 4 inches is a great size for a Packer. And I honestly just love the way that this feels in my pants. This kind of reminds me of the Pierre from New York Toy Collective, which looks like this. So obviously this is bigger because of the tab, but if you remove the tab, which you can cut, by the way, if you want, you can do whatever you want. To me, it's a very, very similar Packer. The balls on this one feel a little bit bigger, but honestly, I just love that the shaft falls downwards. That's kind of my favorite thing. Anyways, pretty short review, but I want to say that this is my favorite Packer, and I think I've reviewed all of the Packers that they have, or at least I have all of them if I haven't reviewed all of them. So my favorite one before this was the SP1, because I liked how small it was and how it felt. It didn't feel squishy though. That's the thing. It is still a little bit hard. However, this one is a squishy feel and it looks realistic. And look at that foreskin. It's like peeking. It's like, I'm here. You can't move it, but you can kind of touch it a little bit if you want. Anyways, favorite Packer from Banana Prosthetics. If you're looking to support a Canadian company from Quebec, and you want to get a Packer, I absolutely recommend this one. This is my favorite one. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this, and I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye.